What you get from this video. You'll see how a security team connects GitHub Advanced Security to Microsoft Defender to gain visibility from code to runtime. What you need before you start. 3 things are required. First, a GitHub Advanced Security license. GAS is GitHub's built-in tool for finding security issues in your code. Second, Defender Cloud Security Posture Management, or DCSPM, enabled on your Azure subscription. DCSPM is the Defender plan that gives you visibility into your cloud security posture. Third, a GitHub connector already set up inside Defender. You'll also need 2 permissions: Security Admin Access on your Azure subscription and GitHub Organization Owner Access. One important note: this integration works in commercial cloud environments only. It is not available in government or sovereign clouds. How the setup works. You start by connecting your GitHub organization to Microsoft Defender Cloud Security. Once that connection is active, you turn on agentless scanning that runs without installing anything on your servers. This is how Defender can monitor supported code repositories once the integration is configured. From there, Defender correlates signals across 3 areas: your source code in GitHub, the container images built from that code, and the live workloads running in your live environment. A container image is a packaged, built version of your application ready to be deployed. What happens when setup is complete? Defender connects your code, your build pipeline, and your live environment into one view. You can use the Cloud Security Explorer, a search tool inside Defender, to confirm which code powers which application in your live environment. Seeing that connection helps validate that the integration is functioning as expected. From that point forward, security findings in Defender link directly to the code and the developer who can fix them in GitHub. This is the foundation for secure code to runtime. That connection is what the rest of this series is about.